Well, just hours ago, the man accused of killing 4 University of Idaho students walked into a Latah County courtroom. Brian Kohberger joined his lawyer for 2 hearings today related to the non-dissemination order in the murder case. So right now, the order prohibits investigators, law enforcement, and all attorneys that are interested parties in the case from publicly discussing it. This includes attorneys representing the victims' families. Our chief journalist, Amanda Rowley, was in court today. She joins us now live outside the Latah County Courthouse. Amanda, can you explain the focus of the 2 hearings today?
Yeah, Tom, these 2 hearings, we know the first one started this morning, and it focused on clarifying what attorneys who are representing the victims' families can say under this current non-dissemination order. The second hearing, which we just got out of, it started this afternoon. It was a hearing for a coalition, media coalition, and they were fighting for improved or more access to public information in this case. Now, the first hearing, we got to hear from Shannon Gray. He is the attorney representing the family of Kaylee Goncalves. That's one of the 4 University of Idaho students who was murdered. Now, Shannon Gray told the judge the order issued in this case made him believe that he should tell his clients to be quiet. He argues his clients are not witnesses in the case and therefore should be free to speak about it through him. Take a listen.
I'm not asking as a witness to the case, which witness to the case, they've never ever told us in any way how we would be witnesses in this case, other than the conjecture that we may have potentially. That's not good enough to stop the free speech of the victim's family as well as myself.
Well, Amanda, what can you tell us about Kohberger actually having to be in court today?
Yeah, Tom, actually, this was the first time in the court proceedings that we've covered. This is the first time we've seen Brian Kohberger in the courtroom with a suit rather than his orange jumpsuit that he wears from the Latah County Jail. Other than that, his demeanor, he walked into the courtroom. It's been the same as we've seen him before. He walks straight into the courtroom, greets his attorneys, maybe with a grin. Today looked like he had a grin, smiled and said hello, sat down, and he just stared straight forward, showing no emotion. Now, before I send it back to you though, Tom, I did want to mention in that first hearing today, the Judge John Judge, wanted to take the time to apologize to the victims' families for mispronouncing their names at the arraignment, which we were at in May. He said he was a bit sick the night before and quite frankly a bit nervous in that hearing, and it caused him to fumble the pronunciation of the victims' names, and for that he wanted to get on the record and apologize to the families. Reporting from the Latah County Courthouse, Amanda Rowley, KREM 2 News.